Now we want to discuss shear stress. Shear stress means tau. Tau means force upon area. Simple. Same thing here. Means if we have taken the original crossing area and instantaneous area, so depends on the. So I have already explained you. Now shear stress basically when the force are transmitted from one part of the body to the other part of the body. The stresses are developed in the plane parallel to the applied force or shear stress. Okay. Suppose this is the here component or body. Here, suppose force applied, shear stress acting on this manner, in this manner. Okay. Here shear stress acting on in this manner. Now here shear stress acting on the in this manner and shear acting on the in this manner. This is the tau basically. Tau. Okay. Tau means force upon area. Once again, I'm repeating. When the forces are transmitted from one part of a body to another part of the body, the stresses are developed in a plane parallel to the applied force are called shear stress. So stress acts parallel to the plane of interest. Okay. Now I have drawn this diagram. Suppose we want to take in the this diagram here. This is the component here. So we want to take the section. What do you understand by section? Section means cutting plane. Suppose this is the section means cutting plane applied here. So here forces. So here this is the force here P. Okay. Now here force is the P. This is the cutting plane here. This is the point A. This is the point A and this is the point B. Okay. So you cut the plane. Suppose we have want to cutting. So we have cutting. Suppose we have cutting the plane. Suppose one component here and second is the this component here. Okay. These are components. So here for cutting force means shear stress acting in this manner. And here shear acting acts in this manner. Okay. So this is the representation of the body. Okay. Now, once again, I'm repeating regarding shear stress. When the forces are transmitted from one part of the body to the another part of the body, stresses are developed in a plane parallel to the applied force that is called shear stress. Here, shear stress acts parallel to the plane of the interest. So, force F is applied transversely to the member AB. This is the member AB. Okay, as shown here. So corresponding internal forces acts in the plane of section C here, plane section C, and are called shearing stresses. So now force corresponding average shear stress. This is the average shear stress is equal to force upon area. It may be original area or the instantaneous area. It depends on the component. Original area or instantaneous area or the shearest area. Okay. Or you can take the force upon simple shear area. Shear area means cutting area. Okay. Shear means cutting area.